Hello friends, myself Professor Anjali Patel from Rockville PPA College Vapi. With respect to semester 5, I will teach you a subject called entrepreneurship development. First of all, let us understand the objective behind studying this subject. The first objective is to make students aware about entrepreneurship and what quality should be possessed to become an entrepreneur. Second objective is to make students aware about related concept of entrepreneurship. Even we will learn about project appraisal, how a project can be appraised, and you will learn how a project can be managed, that is management of a project. Let us go through the syllabus of entrepreneurship development. There are total 4 units to be covered in the syllabus of entrepreneurship development. Unit number 1, that is conceptual framework. In unit number 1, you will study about meaning and definition of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. You will learn about its function, that means activity being performed by entrepreneur. You will learn about qualities of entrepreneur like creativity, risk taker, organizing, skill which contribute to the success of an entrepreneur. Then you will learn about difference between entrepreneur and manager, in that being a difference of entrepreneur and manager. Then you will learn about definition of an entrepreneurship and its barriers, that is hurdles to become an entrepreneur. Then you will learn about types of entrepreneur, that is you will learn about innovative entrepreneur, Fabian entrepreneur, drone entrepreneur. Then you will learn more detail about a development of an entrepreneur, that is before your independence and after your independence. Then you will learn more detail, more concept of rural entrepreneurship and women entrepreneurship. Then you will learn various institute of entrepreneurship, that is EDII, that is Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, CED, that is Center of Entrepreneurship Development. That is all about unit number 1. In unit number 2, that is motivating the entrepreneur, in that the overall concept to learn is how an entrepreneur can be motivated. In that you will learn about meaning and definition of motivation. Then you will learn about Maslow and Michaelin theory of motivation, how this theory help an entrepreneur to be motivated. You will learn various factors that motivate entrepreneur. You will learn various reason about entrepreneur mobility, various factors that influence entrepreneur to be mobilized more, that can be move one place to another, how an entrepreneur mobility is high, how this motivating factor can help entrepreneur to move from one place to another. Then you will learn about entrepreneur competency, that is skill, that is your motive behind your entrepreneurship. Then you will learn a model, that a factor affecting an emergence of entrepreneurship. That is all about unit number 2. After unit number 2, you will move toward unit number 3, that is concept of MSME, micro, small, medium enterprise. In that you will learn concept and definition of micro, small and medium enterprise. In that you will learn about which industry fall in micro and small and medium enterprise, its characteristics, it's your advantages of micro, small, medium enterprise, and then the most important question, that is your registration procedure. What is a procedure for the small scale industry? How a small scale industry can be registered? That will be covered in your second subheading of unit number 3. Then you will learn about whom to approach for what under MSME. In that you will learn whom to approach for technical know-how, whom to approach for your innovative, whom to approach for your procedure, whom to approach for your marketing, whom to approach for your standardization, whom to approach for machinery, whom to approach for raw material, whom to approach for selection of industry. That will be covered in subheading of 3 of unit number 3. That is all about unit number 3. After unit number 3, that is your last unit, sickness in enterprise. In that you will learn, we know that At certain age, our entrepreneurship become a weak. So they are warning signals. They are causes behind this sickness. So what are the warning signal and what are the remedies to overcome from that sickness? Rehabilitation of sick project, rehabilitation institute. Then you will learn about definition of sick unit, what is mean by sick unit, which industry fall in sick unit, what are the criteria of sick unit and the causes of the sick unit, and the main important thing, that is rehabilitation of your sick project, how it can be rehabilitated. That is all about unit number 4. तो यहाँ पे आप टोटल 4 यूनिट कवर करोगे एंड इन दैट यू विल लर्न अबाउट योर conceptual framework, motivating the entrepreneur, MSME, and a sickness in enterprise. That is all about your subject called entrepreneurship development. Thank you, students.